Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Learn CAD-CAM. Today I'm gonna show you the tutorial I'm gonna post on my another YouTube channel, which will be gonna be like that. This is the tutorial in Mastercam 2019 for milling operations. So I'm gonna be posting this full tutorial on my another YouTube channel. To watch this tutorial, I'm gonna put the link in the description below so that you can go over there and see how I make this. Have a look on my another YouTube channel. The link is in description. Just click on it and then and please do subscribe my another YouTube channel. From now onwards, I'm gonna be posting more videos over there. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks again.